This is a quick preview of our community. For some of the resources inside our community, I recommend starting with our classroom tab, which you can see right up here. And then when you click on that, you'll find all of these folders. Start with how to use this school platform. As you can see here, I have a video created as to how to use the school platform, and I have them all timestamped so you can just hop on whichever section that you feel you need to brush up on. I believe that school will be the next Amazon of the online community, so I think it's worth learning about the platform. If you need validation for your experiences, I recommend the ADHD Mom Journals collection. I envision it as to be a collection of real stories of ADHD moms. Right now, I want to be a leader, and to start it off, I am putting together my journals. This is for September. I catalog them by months, and I put together my stories there of how I implement the 20 years of behavioral therapy, medication, researching ADHD, and the evolution of ADHD into my real life of how I handle ADHD as a thriving ADHD mom who is parenting an ADHD child. You can look at them up there for validation. I highly recommend also starting off with the ADHD Mom Skill Scanner. When you click on that, you can download the skill scanner here. And what that is you can rate yourself anytime, anywhere at your own convenience regarding the skills listed there. And the point is to be self-aware as to which of your skills you're really good at and which of the skills you need to improve on so that we can help you better in terms of how you can thrive and embrace ADHD for you and your kids. These last three are the information, implementation, and inspiration. When you add those three together, I believe they lead to innovation. Innovation of yourself so that you can be the better version of yourself, not what society tells you to be, not what your family and friends tells you to be, but what you believe you should be to reach your full potential. Starting with information, that's you knowing about ADHD in a deeper level. I simplify them and synthesize science-backed information and put them here. As you can see, also I have For Your Kids IEP plan and 504 accommodations and events about ADHD. I will add more science-backed information simplified there in this folder. The next topic that I am researching is about the women's health, menstruation, perimenopause, menopause, puberty, and how that all affects ADHD because the hormonal changes have direct impact in our ADHD. This one is about implementation. So what you know about ADHD, you have to be able to implement it to your daily lives. I have productivity hacks and sleeping tips for now, and we'll be adding more based on our members' needs. Lastly, we have ADHD Inspiration during the hard times, and there will be hard times for the rest of our lives with the ADHD because of our symptoms, but you can find inspiration from so many places, especially those who have thrived with ADHD. I've created a playlist of the top 10 most viewed TEDx talks by women on ADHD. You can watch them here and they will play directly to TEDx Talk YouTube channel. I also have affirmation cards. I have compassion, how to practice self-compassion, famous people with ADHD. So if you need inspiration, you can go ahead and go to our tab there. Thank you so much. And there's more to look at. We have our community here, our calendar, our members leaderboard. Please go ahead and check that out. My name is Catherine Lizardo. I'm a thriving ADHD mom, speaker, and lawyer. See you inside.